Hi, just a quick update. It's a couple of days now since I fitted the solar. It was 10.4 if I remember the last time when I actually fitted it all together. Boat's still a total mess. I didn't get down here yesterday. Battery all just done. I left the solar panel here. Didn't want to leave it up on the top or anything like that, just in case of any wind, stop it from falling, etc. Highly recommended. If I can fit a solar panel, anyone can. Alright. Don't forget, if you're liking the content, give a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. You know, everybody said it. It's really appreciated, especially for a new channel. Right, one of my issues, fuel tank. Now then, I don't know whether to actually see if I can do it in situ. Have a nice look at the boats down here, or drain it, take it out, see if I can actually fix it. Or I was thinking, it's only a 25 litre tank, so what about an outboard tank? Inboard tanks are so expensive. You can pick cheap plastic outboard tanks up. You can you convert it so it has the return line? Hey, let me know in the comments. Ta-ra for now, see you in a few days.